What's up guys, Shades here bringing you another Filmora tutorial to inspire your own creative journey. Let's go! Today, I'll show you how to create a simple letterbox style opener for a video like this. But before we get any further, I'd like to thank Filmora for partnering up with UCS through their FCC program. Without Filmora, UCS would not be the budding channel it is today. So whether you're a beginner or a pro at video editing, if you haven't tried Filmora, you definitely should. Filmora is incredibly user-friendly with a ton of cool, free effects, transitions, and more. So what are you waiting for? Go download Filmora 10 for free from the link down in the description below. And don't forget to hit subscribe and tap that notification bell so you never miss a new video. But enough of that, let's get into the letterbox opener. So let's start by importing a short video or maybe a really cool image from your files. I'll be using some footage from the sample media section in Filmora, but feel free to pause this video and select a file that really captures the essence of the video you're creating. Now that you have your video or image imported to Filmora, we can begin creating your very own letterbox opener. Start by placing the video or image onto your timeline. Now go to your Effects tab and click the Utility subgroup. Then scroll down until you find an effect called Image Mask. You can drag this effect directly onto your video, but I don't recommend you do that. Instead, drag and drop the effect on the video track above your video. Now double-click the effect in your timeline. This should bring up a control menu for your image mask. Now, go to where you see all the various shapes and sizes of image masks, and click on the mask that has a single checkered bar through the center of the mask with a bar of black above it. Double-click that mask to select it. Now to make some slight adjustments. Go to your Y value and either move the slider or type in a number to move the image mask up off the ground of the video. I like 60 for my Y value, but feel free to experiment. Now skip down to your height value. Again, feel free to experiment and see what value you like, but I like where it sits at a value of 85. When you're satisfied with the way the image mask sits in your viewer on the right side of the screen, go down to the bottom of the image mask menu on the left side of the screen and click OK. Then go up and hit Save. Alright, now that the image mask is in place, it's time to add a title. When you go to the Titles tab, you'll see there are countless animated titles in Filmora to choose from. So pause this video and take your time to choose one of your liking. Now that you have chosen your title block, let's go ahead and add it to your opener. Simply drag the title block down onto your timeline in the video track above your image mask effect. Double-click the title to open up the editing menu. The menu that opens up first is the basic editing for the title block, which includes the ability to edit text, text color, text size, text style, font, spacing between text, general transform movements, and some composition tools. There's also an advanced section in the bottom right of the title block menu, but I suggest leaving that alone until you're much more comfortable with the way Filmora 10 works. I'll make a video specifically for the advanced section in the future. So, let's start editing your title block by changing out the text. First, click in the text box in your menu and delete the placeholding text. Now, put in a title for your opener. It can be the name of your YouTube channel, what the video is about, or where the video was taken, for example. As is the case with the title I selected, there are two text boxes, an upper and a lower. To change the text in the lower text box, just click on the placeholder word or words in your viewing screen on the right, and then go back over to the text box in your menu to the left. Type in what you would like to put there, like a slogan or maybe the date of the video. You don't have to use both text boxes, so don't feel like you have to fill them if you don't want to. Now, you may notice that your title block is a bit big for the screen with the image mask reducing the field of view. To make the title block smaller, go up to the top of the title block menu and click the Video section. Here, you will have your transform tools as well as composition tools for the whole title block. I'll reduce the overall scale of my title to 75% in the transform section and change the blending mode to screen, as well as change the opacity to 90% in the composition section. Now go ahead and save your project, as well as pause this video so you can play around with those settings until you get your title just the way you like it. Now you probably noticed the animation section next to the video section of the title block menu. Since your title block is already animated, I wouldn't worry about this section too much now. I'll make a more detailed video in the future covering text animations, as it could be a whole nother video by itself. Now that you have your title just the way you like it, you have two options. You can save this title as a custom title by clicking Save as Custom in the bottom left corner of the title block menu, or just go over and hit OK in the bottom right corner of the title block menu. Now that your video or photo, image mask, and title block are in place, play your opener back and see if you like it. With all that complete, you now have your very own letterbox opener to place into your next video. Feel free to leave a like if you enjoyed this Filmora 10 tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoy our content and want to see more in the future, be sure to like the video down below and comment on what you would like to see us do next. To see our latest video, click here, and to subscribe to the channel, click here. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time on UCS.